and welcome back to my channel. This is Vet again. I'm just back with a quick update. I am just here to let you know that I did make that purchase with Gemini Naturals, and I did make a purchase of the same color I did before. I got the cranberry again because I'm completely out of that one. I still have some of the actually quite a bit of the purple rain left. So I went ahead and got the cranberry because it's more of an everyday color. I can use it all the time. And I got the 2-ounce size, and I am waiting for that to come. I purchased it today, and let me just show you. I did a screenshot so you can see what the shipping would cost. We see the price, as we know, for the 2-ounce jar is $16, and shipping comes to $3.75. And I know it looks pricey for hair coloring, but it really does work really well. Like I said, the colors are really vibrant, and it lasts. It's not like a couple of days. It lasts for a long time once you put it in your hair. And you should actually go to their Instagram page. Customers do go there and post their pictures, so that way you can see what it actually looks like, see what the colors look like, and that way you can make a decision. That's how I chose the colors that I have, that I decided to pick. I went on their Instagram page and looked at the pictures there. There's lots of pictures that you can actually look at. And this is just the order page. So you can see altogether that is $19.75. And I do have the follow-up page once the order has gone through. And it doesn't show any tax being charged, so that's a good thing. And then over here, it's just going to have your order number, which I have blocked out. And thank you, where my name is also blocked out. And the note there just says, please note, current processing time. Oh, sorry about that. Current processing time is 10 business days. This is the number of days it will take to make the bottle and label your order. It also notes that all their goodies are handmade. This does not include shipping time. If your order contains both pre-order and in-stock items, your order will ship once all products are available. And just down here is a map. And when it originally comes up, that little red tag is going to it's going to note your city. I just zoomed out and just got rid of all my personal information there. So it's just a look at what the order process looks like. The email came in immediately after I made the order. Right away, it came through on my phone. And I will give a check back. It says in 10 business days. So we can do an unboxing. Of course, it's not going to be a large unboxing. I might even have ordered something from another company by then. I'll just see. I have been looking at a few things that I would like to get. So we'll do an unboxing, see how everything is packaged. If it comes through the mail, okay. It came through fine the first time I ordered something from them, so I'm sure it'll be fine this go around as well. And depending on how my hair is cooperating, I will maybe take a video or some pictures so you can actually see what the color looks like on my hair, see what it looks like. And like I said, take a look over on Instagram and see the pictures they have there so you can choose your colors, see what you'd like to get from them. And that was just a quick update, let you know what's going on. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.